There's an abundance of emotions happening all at once when it comes to preparing a young adult to start college. Nervousness, excitement, pride, and often overwhelm persevere when thinking of all of the tasks that need to be accomplished before the first day arrives. My name is Mackenzie Scott, and I'm a certified professional organizer at Mission to Organize. Whether your student will be living on or off campus, they will need to be organized not only for school, but for living independently in the future. In this M2O TV video, we'll share some organizing action items and tips so that you and your student feel ready to launch. The transition from high school to college is a great time to declutter your child's belongings and help them make decisions about what items they want to take with them into adulthood. If they're living on campus, do this during the packing process. If they aren't yet moving out, schedule a day or two with them to declutter. First, create a donate bag or box to collect any unwanted clothing, old toys, games, and so on. Repeat this process in every room of the house where your child has belongings. Even the kitchen. They may want to pack up their favorite childhood tumbler or mug. It may seem a little preemptive, but while you're packing, consider boxing up any items they may want later for their first apartment. This is a great opportunity to plan for their future while also decluttering your own home. We don't suggest going overboard, but duplicates of things you own that they love and are special and useful to them are a great choice. One example from my childhood is this set of Powerpuff Girl plates. My mom and I packed them up for me when I left for college. Years later, when I got my first apartment, she brought me my first apartment box with my plates. I've had them ever since, and they make me smile every time I use them. You could box up things like decor, extra sets of linens, kitchen tools, games, books, and more. Just make sure that you clearly label the boxes separately to distinguish from the things they need now for their typically small dorm room. One of the biggest categories of items you'll find when helping your graduate pack up is memories. Give them the opportunity to take anything small that may remind them of home, especially if it's a functional item that they can use. But beware, you may find things which your young adult has no interest in, but are special to you as a parent. It's okay to keep these items, but don't keep them under the guise that they may want them later. If your young adult wants to declutter, let them. It will save you both a lot of time and energy later on. If you haven't already, you'll want to use some waterproof plastic totes to collect any memories you both decide to keep but not take to college. These can be stored away in the basement, storage closet, or attic until your child has a home of their own. A great way to preserve memories that you don't necessarily want to keep or that take up a lot of space is to snap a photo. You'll be able to remember the item without the hassle of storing it. Pack using containers and bags that are either recyclable or can be used as storage in the dorm room, like under the bed totes, ottomans, and plastic drawer systems. If it's available to you, find out the layout of the dorm room and furniture in advance so you can prepare accordingly. Dorm rooms in college apartments are generally pretty small. Packing light can offer several advantages. First, it makes move in and move out easy and less stressful on your child. Keep in mind, they will probably move several times over their college career. Second, they'll likely acquire a few new things while they're in school as they make new memories and buy supplies and, of course, some school apparel. Give them room to evolve and grow. As tempting as it may be to go out and buy your child new school supplies, housewares, and everything they may need beforehand, try not to go too crazy. Once they get to campus and unpack, you're more likely to know exactly what they need. Starting to keep a list of possible items ahead of time is a good idea, however. You can always add to it as the move process begins, ensuring that you won't be overwhelmed in the space. Organizing for college is such a great opportunity to bond with your child and prepare them for the future. Remember that you have been preparing them for this moment their entire life, and now it's time to reflect, celebrate, and collect the necessary tools. Curious about any more organizing life hacks you wanted to bestow upon your child? M2O TV has your back. Just send them a link to one of the hundreds of videos and trust them to make the magic happen. You can find us on social, so click the links in the description for more info to ease your mind. Just search Mission to Organize for the latest blogs, posts, and videos. See you next time. Bye. Ah!